Bonjour! This is a video to show you how to pronounce the key vocabulary in section 1.2. How are you doing? As a reminder, this is one of those listen and repeat kind of deals, so after you hear me say a word, it's your job to repeat it. The reason why we do this is to make sure that A, you know how to pronounce these words, and B, you get them in your muscle memory so that you are familiar with pronouncing them. The more you do this type of activity, the better. Sometimes people find it easier to look up the meanings of these words and find them in our course before starting the listen and repeat, and that is entirely up to you. If you want to listen and repeat and then look up the words, that would be fine too. Whatever works for your learning style. So let's begin. We'll begin with tu. Tu. Vous. Vous. Ça va? Ça va? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? Oui, ça va. Oui, ça va. Très bien. Très bien. 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 Pas mal. Pas mal. Plus ou moins. Plus ou moins. Comme ci, comme ça. Comme ci, comme ça. Mal. Très mal. Et toi? Et toi? Et vous? Et vous? Au revoir. Au revoir. Salut. Salut. À demain. À demain. À bientôt. À bientôt. And that concludes our list. Feel free to listen and repeat as much as you want so you can learn pronunciation and get that muscle memory for when you say these words in a conversation. Merci et au revoir.